Hello viewers. First, I wanna apologize for the background noise that I have from my mic, but you'll have to deal with it. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create an Autoexec.cfg file in your CSGO directory, how to make sure it runs, what should you put in it, and various fixes for the current problems with the execs and shit. So first you go to Steam, and you go to the properties of CSGO. You go to the local files, browse local files. And now you'll go to the CSGO.cfg, where you actually make the file. You make a new text document, you enter it, file, save as, and save it as Autoexec. Make sure to make all files, and also make sure to put a .cfg at the end, so it will save it as the CFG file. Now, what should you put in it? Of course, I don't know what you want. You'll probably make a crosshair or a view model, so something like that, something you want to save like in your CSGO. I made a simple one here with a view model that I have at the moment, and the max FPS I run on my CSGO. So basically we'll try to run it now. Copy it, paste it in the Autoexec located in the CSGO directory, and save it. Now all I have to do is run CSGO. It should save the Autoexec file on its own, Autoexec, but if it doesn't, you can go to properties, set launch options, and add this line plus excs Autoexec. Those are some things I have. You can add them as well. It will make your CSGO launch faster and use the maximum amount of your processors and shit. Let's wait till it launches. Let me just change it to Windows mode so we can see. Okay, there we go. CSGO is 120 FPS and my model should be working. But if you do have a problem, it doesn't load, you can do a couple of things. You can check it with a couple of commands and try to run it. Now, you can make it automatic if it doesn't work. I'll just show you in a moment. First things first, if it doesn't work, you close your CSGO and you copy this host right config and you put it into your Autoexec. You save it, and now you try launching your game. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can try typing Autoexec in the config. Oh wait, then let's first try to check if it actually works. There are two commands there that you can type into the console of the game: echo Autoexec.cfg loaded and exe Autoexec to load the actual thingy. Now, how to enable the developer's console? Pretty simple. I'll show you in a moment. I'm actually gonna put it on Windows mode again. Go to keyboard and mouse. Wait. Okay, you go to the very bottom and you put a key to the toggle console. For me it's this key, it's on the above the top. So you use it. And if this doesn't work, if you can't open the console, when you launch the game in the configurations, properties, options, you can type in this console, minus console, and it will launch the console automatically, or it will make sure it works. Now, first command is 1 second. Echo Autoexec load it, and it loads it automatically. It loads checks if the Autoexec is loaded. To actually load it, if it doesn't load it on its own, 1 second, you use the Autoexec load command right here. And it loads it. Oh, yeah, I set it to read only, and I will explain that in a couple of moments. That's why, because I had a very troubling problem with the CSGO, and I had no other option. So this is my problem. I tried to load my config and it just won't load. Like, it will only load only if I type this command. So I searched all over the fucking internet and I found this. If you set your config, not the Autoexec, the config, if you set it to read only and you edit it and put in this line, it will run automatically. Now there is a little catch to this thing. Any configuration you will change, it won't save it. It will only save it if you actually type it in the config. As an example, the fact that I switched it to windowed mode and it changed back to full screen after I restarted the game. It didn't change the setting. If I untick the read only, it will save the configuration, so keep that in mind. And if you do want to change your config and shit like that, you'll have to untick the read only, untick it, go into CSGO, change whatever you want, come back and edit it again, because this line right here will not be here any longer. You'll have to put it in again and then put it to read only again. So yeah, that's about it, because this is the only fix that worked for me. I tried everything there is, all of the things I told you, I tried it all, and nothing worked. Now there's one thing I almost forgot. What should you put in? I already told you that you can put the view model, crosser and shit like that, but yeah, there's more. Now this is my config. All of my commands that were in the configuration, the launch option thingy, I put them here just in case. The netcode, I won't be explaining this. The FPS, of course. The UI. The net graph, which shows the FPS and its like size and all that shit. As I told you, my crosser. Ignore this. My view model. Sensitivity, raw input, mouse acceleration, volume, and all that shit. And of course binds, because yeah, binds are binds. And as I told you before, at the end of the Autoexec, you put the host right config to make sure it loads. Now let me put my own config into this. Where is it? Set launch options. No. Language, local files. Browse local files. Well, I'll just put it back. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any more help, you can post a comment. I might be able to help you, but this is like the end of the end, because there is no more you can do about this. Valve really needs to fix these things and make them easier to use. Goodbye.